going to make one more quick video in case anyone needs to use the compute button in SPSS. So if you've got several measures and you want to add them up, so perhaps you had serves of fruit and serves of veg and you wanted to add up the total serves of fruit and veg, or maybe you had several different questions that you were adding up for an overall stress measurement. You can do that in Excel, but if you've already imported your data into SPSS, you can just do that in here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of these into a total quality of life measure, and this may be a really silly thing to do, and you might not ever do this in practice. This is just an example of how we would go about using the compute function in SPSS to get a new column. So I'm going to go to transform and compute variable, and this works essentially like a calculator. So my new variable will be total quality of life, and then I'll just put in what I want to add up. So I'm going to have, or I could actually do the average quality of life. That might be a better example, just because I'll be doing an extra step, and this would be similar if you were going to do BMI or something like that. So I'll put in some brackets and I'll do physical plus psychological plus social plus environmental, and I've got 4 measures, so I'm going to divide by 4, and so it's just working like a calculator. And if we go to our data view, we've got our average quality of life there. So you could do the same if you wanted to look at BMI or add up serves of fruit and veg, or add up a whole lot of questions which you wanted to create into a total stress or anxiety score.